Hi everybody, this is Katie. You'll see plenty of videos of me. For my intro, I thought I'd do something a little different and use this SketchNote that I created. So maybe this can help you get to know me a little bit better. I did all of these drawings. I'm still learning how to sketchnote. Actually, I've just started learning how to sketchnote, and I'm really enjoying it so far. So again, my name is Katie. I'll start up here. Obviously, I'm very connected to my laptop and to all sorts of tools that we can use to communicate using technology, including video. So I do a lot of video um, recordings and enjoy learning a lot about video. I work at Mesa College as an instructional designer. I wear my Fitbit trying to get my 10,000 steps every day. I'm learning how to garden. Well, I've just started gardening. This past weekend we planted some tomatoes, which maybe was too soon. But that's my little depiction of the garden. Here's the family. I've got two kids. I'm a big time coffee drinker. I love to laugh. I've got special um, pink glasses that I will wear sometimes to make things fun at work. And so I had to include those in my picture here as well. Um, there's a picture of me hiking because I enjoy hiking here in San Diego. I love learning and trying new things. That's my light bulb here. I'm hoping to finish a 10K in the next couple of weeks. This is a picture of bread because I've um, baked bread the past couple of weekends, and that's also a learning experience. And this is a picture of me being mindful, finding some time to disconnect from all of these other things. Oh, and then another disconnect is this is me, but you can't really tell. Um, on a beach watching the sunset, and that's in a hammock. So that's just kind of a sketch note introduction. I look forward to getting to know you better throughout this course. Thanks.